a dog bowl for my dogs with me. I'll be using thin cardboard like that for my boxes and paper plates, but anything is okay. I'll sketch my design out onto this paper plate. Now I'm gonna cut this out really quick. I'm gonna cover this in tin foil, so it should look something like this. I do recommend taping the back down. Now you'll cut strips out of something enough to go all the way around that. But if you don't have a long enough piece, you can tape them together. By the way, you can color these if you wish before putting them onto here. I am making this for my dog Pickles, so I will be using a green alcohol marker to color this. It's very brown on camera, but I promise it's green. Now you're gonna flip it over, take this and tape it in the center, not the top or the bottom, but the center. It'll give it a nice edge. I'll show you in a second. Mine isn't done, but see, it's making this nice edge. You can cover this up with paper like I'm going to do in the end if you don't like the print or brown sticking out on yours when you do it. As you go, it'll start to look more and more like a shaped bowl. Now it's done, and now you should have a perfectly sized dog bowl that your dog can have.